In this course, we'll use a 3/4 ton pickup truck with an in-bed spreader. This type of spreader is also sometimes called a box or hopper spreader. Your company may use a different model or type of spreader, but many of the same general principles will apply. This type of spreader features a hopper that sits in the bed of the truck. The hopper is filled with de-icing material and uses a conveyor system to move that material to a spinner. The spinner then distributes the material to the ground. It is extremely important to mount the spreader properly to the bed of the truck. Different spreaders use different installation systems involving brackets and fasteners and tie-down straps. Refer to the owner's manual for your specific spreader to make sure it is installed securely on the truck. The spreader is connected to a controller that lets you operate it from the truck cab.